come down here. I'll find out where I am. You have a passport, right? Yeah? Do you speak Spanish? Because I don't speak any. Well, we'll figure it out. Oh my God, this is there's so much freedom. I love it. You're gonna love it here. Okay. Look, I'll find out where we are and I'll call you back, okay? All right. All right, I'll talk to you back. A goat? Tegan? Where's Sarah?
What? She sent me.
I thought she was coming to Colombia.
Neither of you speak Spanish. It would have been hard.
Okay.
I do. So come on.
All right.
Come on.
All right. Tegan?
Pants off.
Sarah.
You're such a jerk.
Why? What did I do?
Nothing.
And?
And I'm stupid.
Oh.
So you just woke up in the middle of the forest?
I wasn't asleep. I was just there.
Then something ran off into the forest, right?
Maybe. Could have been an animal.
Or what I saw at the beach. You don't think it's the same thing?
No.
What's wrong?
I don't know.
Don't you want to figure out what's happening?
It's just time for something different, you know? I mean, we have a chance to start over. That's why we're here, right?
What do you want to do?
I don't have to worry about things.
We can totally do that.
And I want to build things. Tangible things, more than ideas that just burn away. Things that persist. That's what I want.